Well, now then, the final match, the final game, the final journey to this season 7 starts off with Abhishek Katre.
One final time, these two teams will meet each other, and this is a good ball. Good start from Abhishek Katre, the star from the last match. Maiden over in last match, 2 balls dot. Short ball, and I think waiting for the umpire's call. Umpire has given a legitimate ball, so 3 balls dot. Ashish is a very aggressive batsman. Let's see what he does. Again, a very good ball from Abhishek Katre. He is very determined. We can see that determination on his face. This yellow team. And good shot from Ashish for a single, I think. A good field by Krish Garodia on the boundary. They are charged up. This will be a good contest between bat and the ball. Ranjan Biyani on strike, left-handed batsman. Last ball of Katre is over. Oh, good over, yaar. Katre has bowled a very good over. The first over of this match for a single. What do you think, Dipesh, after looking at so many matches, what is your opinion? What do you think?
Well, I think every time I've seen Abhishek Katre bowling, he just starts very left from the previous match. And I think that is something that he had done consistently. Wherever he's left the previous match, he started the same thing fresh again. And today was an amazing day, an excellent day for this excellence member, Abhishek Katre, with the ball.
What do you feel? Which team will win? Do you feel any team has an edge?
Well, I think as a commentator, I have to be fair to both the teams, and both the teams are really good. You can never predict at this point in time because the game is just started. Obviously, everyone has their favorites, but commentators can't have their favorites.
So, Krish to bowl the next ball. And
that's a very good shot from Ashish's bat. Just punches that, and that's going to be a tulip nest hospitality boundary there. Another one, Ishanya Vastu sixer.
Good shot. Ashish is coming in his own groove. Ishanya Vastu 6. Krish Garodia on little pressure. And since he advanced, so it will not be a no ball because he advanced, he came on the front foot.
Well, he stepped out of the crease and then he took that full toss ball. So there is no chance that the umpire is going to give no ball on that one. But meanwhile, it's 2 overs gone and it's 14 runs. Once again, Abhishek Katre has been brought to pick up a wicket, and you know whose wicket they are looking for. And that's why he's been brought again into the attack.
Very aggressive mindset.
Gaire Sahib had a very good sleep. And he's back fresh now for the game. Well, I think they really won't mind dot balls in this over. They do not want Abhishek Katre to pick up a wicket here. So they will be fine with that. And that's go for an Ishanya Vastu sixer. Atharva the man there and missing to jump at the right time. Another beauty from Abhishek Katre. Another dot ball. So he's bowled a lot of dot balls today. Very much control on his line and length. In the air, again a chance, and another single. Ranjan on the other end, he has been a customer. He has been a consistent customer who has managed to get on with big partnerships. And the partnerships where you want to rely on someone like Ranjan on the other end. Because he's more of those singles, doubles, but then again, when he loves to hit big shots, he does go for it. Once again, stepping out of the crease and trying to play that long call from Ashish to wait. And the right call because they do not want to hurry up and try to create any problem at this point in time of the game. 3 overs have gone, and it is 22 runs on the scoreboard. And here comes Vatika. Again, had a decent day with the bat and ball, but now all that is done, you have to do it again in the finals. And again, the destruction over there just stops the ball. So the first ball is a dot ball by Vatika.
See, in the final, you can see the scoreboard. In previous all matches, they were rolling around, and here 3.1, 22 runs. And second lady ball, and it is only a boundary.
Well, then it is a tulip nests hospitality boundary that is coming in.
See the pressure is rolling.
The idea was right. I really like the idea.
Extra.
As soon as she saw that the batsman is charging down the crease, she bowled a little wider. Doesn't matter, but the thought has to be there. The presence of mind has to be there. Vatika.
The batsman is charging. And
That's going to be Ishan Nevas to sixer. Chirag telling the same thing to Vatika. That's fine. Let them hit. You got to get on with this over. That's the right thing to do at this point in time of the game.
flat batted, and he was not able to connect. So Vatika has bowled 4 balls and only
The shot was also flat, and Vatika's save also was very much a matrix move.
so only 1 boundary and a 6. So and I think a wicket.
And
a wicket.
it is a big wicket.
A wicket.
It is a big wicket of Ashish.
Absolutely, they made this over was
Well.
and from good to best is what Vatika.
This is a very big wicket.
A turning point for this match.
Fortunes have changed for this girl after Himachal Premier League.
But look at the score. It's only 1 delivery is pending. Vatika is so
She
excited.
is ready to bowl more too. It's okay.
एक विकेट मिलेगा.
इसके पहले भी तो लिया उन्होंने. इसके पहले वाले मैच में भी तो लिया.
Chirag Chhajet, all the pressure of team on his
But आया
shoulders,
आज. अभिषेक साहब तुमच्या घरात ट्रॉफी आहेत आज.
on his shoulders and stomach both.
Well, now then, that's a good stop again.
Good one,
Hussain
good
coming
one.
in
See,
action.
look at Bhavesh. He
And-
was sprinting towards the stump. That's the spirit. That's the high spirit on which this team is working. 4 overs, 35 runs, 33 runs in fact.
Well, the only thing that will be spoken about in this over is a big wicket of Ashish, and Vatika picking up that wicket. It was a very crucial wicket because this is a final game, and even AH team knows the importance of Ashish's inning, how much he can demolish the opposition. But after taking that wicket, it is now Chirag and Ranjan.
The lady over makes a difference, and that's what we are looking at. 10 runs and 1 wicket. It was gold. Hussain Kagalwala.
In the air. I think Chinmay is in
very good fielding from Chinmay. He has a sore shoulder actually. So a good fielding by Chinmay. Only a single to the team. Chirag on the strike. Let's see what happens next. And flat. Oh! He was juggling like a clown, and now he just missed it. Very good attempt from Kusal Kangalwala.
What a lovely effort. What a lovely effort from Hussain. The ball just popped out of his hand at the last moment. In the air once again, Abhishek Katre.
They are on pressure. They are absolutely pressure.
Abhishek Katre with that dive, but the ball was... It's just to show what people didn't see.
Again, Ranjan is trying to loft the ball for a single, and the captain is not very happy. He wants the team to move on and create a big score. Chirag on strike. Again, a flat shot. It will only yield a single to them.
And
It's
a
boundary.
boundary.
It's a misfield on the boundary.
Tulip Nest hospitality boundary that is coming in. 40 runs, and the fifth over, the last ball of this fifth over, Hussein's over is also very impactful, very good over that he's bowling right now. Another one that is just straight on to the stumps, a chance of a run out. Bajirao hits directly.
Dipesh, what would be the winning score according to you in the finals?
I think it's 5 overs have gone. If they have 2 good overs, they should comfortably reach to 75-80.
80 would be a tough target to chase in the final with all
I
pressures.
think you have the best of the best playing against each other. Why not? It is the
Bajirao,
finals.
the co-owner of the team, is now to bowl to Chirag Chajat. Turning the ball, and Chirag is not able to connect the ball completely. It's on the offside with a single. Krish charging towards the ball. Absolutely, absolutely. There is a signal from the dugout to Ranjan to go for it now. He's a set batsman. He can see ball like a football. Charging and
Slow
what a
on
fielding from
and,
Hussain Kagalwala. He is absolutely live wire on the field.
Hussain Kagalwala is on fire now. He's diving, he's sprinting, he's throwing, he's doing everything. But the one thing remains constant, chewing gum.
Flighted ball, and that's 6.
And that's gonna be a Ishanya Vastu sixer. Lovely shot there.
From Chirag Chajat is able to connect to the ball, taking the ball on the full.
Another beauty coming from Chirag's bat.
Crucial blows at this moment of the
Ishanya
match.
Vastu sixer. This is what they want, and this is what is not to be given. But they will be happy.
Oh, it was traveling like a bullet. Hit to the stomach of Bajirao. And
No, it didn't. If it would have been hit, then Bajirao would have been on ground right now. Because it was hit with a pace of a tracer bullet.
oh, Ranjan is not able to connect, and he will only take a single. It's a one declare, and now strike would be with Chirag Chajat. At completion of 6 overs, the score stands at 57 for the loss of 1 wicket. And they need to move on. They need at least 30 runs from these 2 overs if they would need to make a match out of it.
Well, I think this is a good captaincy at this moment. The way the fielders are placed, the way the bowlers have bowled. Everybody has rolled up their sleeves and they have been on their feet. They have been on their toes, and they've come out with a plan, and they're trying to execute that plan. No bowler, if you've seen, other than a couple of mistakes that have happened, has bowled short balls and given easy runs.
Chirag is charging. He gets a tulip nest hospitality boundary. He moves on to the score of 24 with 10 balls faced. So he is moving on. Again, Hussain not able to collect the ball. Today is juggling with the balls.
थोड़ा फेविकॉल दे दो इनको.
Yes. Krish with his third ball of the over. He need to keep the line tight. Short ball, and Ranjan
And
able
it's
to,
a wicket.
Bajirao has taken a very good catch, a low catch, and he completes the catch. With this, Ranjan today he was struggling for his time. He has made 5 runs,
VIS interior solution catch.
8 balls, 5 runs. A very. So now Pallavi Gandhi would come on to bat, and she needs to give strike to Chirag. It's a very crucial moment of this match with 10 balls remaining. Sorry, 9 balls remaining. It's important that Chirag gets strike, and they need some lusty blows to reach to the target of 85. Minimum 85 would be required. With Chinmay on the other side, with Krish in form, with Atharv in form, they need a good score to defend. क्या चाहिए? पनिया कहाँ? पनिया ले लो, दे दो. ये इधर है.
Chalo, we can begin now.
So, Pallavi on strike, Dipesh, and 9 balls to go. 62 on the board. 63 on the board, I think. 62, sorry. Krish to bowl his fourth ball. And 2 runs to the board. A good, crucial 2 runs at this junction.
एक मिनट, umpires please decide.
5 run penalty.
Umpires please decide.
Yeah, they're deciding, they're deciding. They're deciding.
जानबूझ के आउट अगर नहीं करेगा तो पेनल्टी 5 रन्स का लगने वाला है, तो वो हिसाब से डिसीजन लेके फाइनल में डिसीजन ले लो, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं करेगा.
So, unfortunately for the team yellow, deliberately not claiming a wicket of Pallavi has given them 5 runs penalty and 2 runs of Pallavi's bat. So 7 runs, 7 important run of this at this junction. It's a very important thing in the fair play contest. You need to play fair.
Well, a little bit of mistake can give you big punishments.
That's what happens here.
Pallavi, can you believe on one ball you have scored 7 runs?
That's called sportsman spirit, right?
Absolutely, by both the teams in fact. They have not objected to that decision. And here's a
wicket.
wonderful catch by Abhishek.
This 5 runs made them take this catch. So at the completion of 7 overs, 70 runs, and last over, I think Anand and Chirag should go for it because nothing to lose. They need to make as maximum as they can because this will determine the match. Bhavesh Ketia to bowl the last over of the match, and it's a very crucial over. Chirag on strike. He's little tired, seems. 12 ball, 26 runs, but everything lies on his shoulders to take his team to a respectable target.
And that's
No.
a wonderful effort from
Sunil
Sairaj Sahib.
Kaide. Very nice. Good start to the over from Bhavesh. They need a very tight over. Anand Kolvankar has come on as a next batsman. He's on a non-striker end. He will be itching to go. And
Straight down the ground again.
good footwork
single
from
here.
Vishal. A single is stolen. Anand comes on strike. He needs to play a captain's knock. 4 balls. Good shot from Anand. That's what is expected from Anand, and that's what Anand has to deliver because it is a very crucial 3 balls to go. 77 runs on the scorecard.
Well, he's playing a captain's inning, and that is what is required at the moment, and that's going to go
It is a
for
boundary. It is a tulip nest hospitality boundary. We can see Sunil Rungta on the screen. 81 runs. So yes, they are reaching towards a good total. 2 balls.
that's a little unlucky now. And what a good running. between the wickets.
Good running from Anand and Chirag. They are going for it. 7.5 overs, 83 runs. Last ball of this innings for AH Game Changers. Let's see what happens. Last ball. Good shot from Anand.
The
And they
last
need to
ball.
charge. They need to play beautifully. Yes. 85 on the board.
86 runs to win.
86 to win. Yes. So that's the target we were looking at. So good, well played from Chirag, Anand, and the other players. So now the onus is on A's Guard Titans. That's what they need to achieve to win this tournament, to win the coveted title for ECT 7. ECT 7 is what we are looking at. 86 runs, and then the game would be done and dusted.
The path is clear. Every heartbeat draws me near. Push the limits, break the chains. Feel the power in my veins. The wind is calling. I hear the sound. My heart is racing. I won't back down. Stronger with every mile I go. This is the fire that makes me whole. Run, run, I'm chasing the sky. Nothing can stop me. I'm ready to fly. Stronger, faster. I won't fall. This is my moment. I'll give it all.
I could feel it here, the ball.
Guys, anybody wants to play for tournament for Carrom? Do let me know.
Pickleball.
Now, Carrom पूछ रहा हूँ. Carrom.
Chinmay, all the best. Krish, all the best. 86 ही बनाने का भाई.
तुमने मोहब्बत करनी है हम
A single to start with. So we are live back with 86 runs to chase to win the finals. Full toss, and Krish is just lofting the ball on the offside, hit the net, and single completed. So 2 runs with 2 balls. Chinmay and Krish. It's a white ball. Extras from Palak Jewels. Good shot and good one, good one. Overall a good cricket. A single taken. Ashish is bowling a good line. Nothing is given to hit in the arc. He's keeping it tight with his lines, with his length. Four balls. It was full toss, but it was on the offside, and Chinmay just connected to the bat and taken a single. Krish on strike now. Again a lofted shot from Krish. Over. After the completion of first over, 7 runs. So they are steady, and Ashish bowled a good over, a good start to both the teams, because it's important to keep the wickets in hand. They have not lost a wicket, and the AH game changers have only given 7 runs away. Chirag Chajed, who did well with the bat, will take this over, and let's see if he is able to continue his form in bowling itself. And oh, little on the top, and Krish is able to connect this ball and send it back to the boundary. Ishania Vastu 6. Good ball from Chirag. Good length from Chirag. He was not able to get to the pitch of the ball. Krish with this third ball. And it's signaled no, the extras from Palak Joel, and there would be 2 runs and a free hit to it. So let's see.
Well, now then, 15 runs and it's still counting. Chinmay and Krish, the Jodi, the opening pair that you want to see in a crucial match like this is up and running. And here we go again, trying to loft that one, but finding Ranjan instead. Only a single that you will get, but Chinmay, he's the man. The man who loves to connect the ball, the man who loves to hit the ball very hard.
One ball still to go to this over. Good bowling from Chirag, good line. Full toss and oh, it just hit the rod on the top in the net and only single to complete this over. 18 runs.
Sometimes with these kind of shots, you also need luck.
Yes.
Luck was not on the favor of Chinmay on the previous ball.
So 18 runs and 2 overs are completed. So what do you feel after this over? There would be a lady over, and would that be a game-changing moment?
You can never tell because Pallavi has already taken 3 wickets in an over.
Yes.
Today is, every over it is not about women or men. I think women have proved themselves, got the first World Cup to India.
What a shot! This boy Krish is justifying his name. His name is Krish the superhero.
Ishanya Vastu sixer.
Again a good shot and a 6 runs. What a shot, Krish. What a shot. Krish is
Ishanya Vastu sixer, that to your prime bowler, Ashish.
he is assaulting the bowler.
And right now,
It's a no ball. So that's
no ball given.
That's what happens when you hit a bowler when bowler is not expecting. It's a no ball. It's a free hit. Again
Another one,
and a 6
lofted,
runs.
and that's another Ishanya Vastu sixer.
What a shot! What a shot, Chinmay! This is what happens when your best bowler gets for 19, 20 runs in 3 balls.
Another one and just missing that catch. What a lovely effort that is there from Jigar. Today I'm having a bad name day. The only person to correct me is Vatika from morning. And
So, after the completion of 3 overs, the score stands at 40 runs, loss of 0 wicket. Now they need 5 overs, 46 runs. In 5 overs, they need 46 runs. So, my bad, because Pallavi is now on. So, let's see what happens. Dipesh says that every bowler is bowling a good over and Pallavi has good overs in past.
Pallavi Gandhi comes out to bowl, recently signed, today only signed by RCB in this upcoming WPL. Intention, first ball, and the first ball is hit in the air. Gets a single on the very first one. I think the run rate is on control now because
Yes.
if you've seen the longer pie of the cake has been
It's a
already
boundary.
finished.
5 runs to the board. A Tulip Nest Hospitality boundary. Pallavi with her 3rd ball. Oh,
Well, you don't mess with the Pallavi.
the Pallavis, the Gandhis.
You do not miss with the Pallavi.
Boundary.
Another boundary here. Tulip Nest Hospitality boundary.
It happens very less when Chinmay is there on the other hand and the other batsman is on charge. It's a very good sign.
Well, I think it's a balanced effort today, to be very honest,
Good
with this
support to
team.
Chinmay.
Absolutely. Tech Guard Titans have really planned this, final game. The way they bowled, the way they picked their wickets, and now when they have come out to bat, they know that maximum
50
hitting
up, 50
has-
up.
Maximum hitting has to be done in the first,
Yes,
and they
that's
stuck to
what
that
they do.
plan.
50 up. So now they need 36 runs. 30, 36. So 9 runs is what they are looking at.
Anand Kolvankar, my commentator friend, man from Chiplun, recently played a tournament in Las Vegas, is at the bowling crease. First ball into the Yorker.
York length.
Oh, that's a bit of a misfield, and
Ricocheting by the shoes, and that's how. Chirag. Anand Kolvankar to bowl his third ball. Good shot. Just lofting the ball, helping
Ishan
the ball to
Nawaz
his
to
waist.
sixer.
And it was another 6 from Chinmay's bat.
But the best was Darshil Safari.
Many-
He was the man. He was the man.
It was a wide ball. Extras from Palak Jewels.
And that's going to be yet another boundary. So massive hitting from Chinmay.
That's carnage.
Khatri.
That's a carnage from both the sides now. Oh, that's what happened when you.
सामने वाले टीम के लिए खतरा बन के आया है ये खत्री, और अपने शॉट से कमाल धमाल मचा रहा
Another
है.
shot. That's another Isanya Vastu 6. Absolutely.
He wants
Absolutely.
to finish in early. Siva Resha Par Shatkar.
Again a good shot. It's a catch and they have got a wicket.
That's an
VIS
VIS
series.
solution catch, wicket going down. But I think he's played his inning. 30 runs of just 14 deliveries that he's played. I think he's done the job for the team.
5 overs and 69 runs on the board. They need 17 runs more. Scorer, I'm right? In with 2 overs. 3 overs. 18 balls
Atharva
and 17
Mamunkar
runs.
is here, auction ka Malik from Edge.
18 balls and only 17 runs needed. "17 balls and 17 runs. It's all about now pressure. The match is A's got Titans to lose.
Oh, I think the direct hit would have been more effective than this one.
"16 more runs now. So it's a runner ball. Good fielding on the boundary by Ranjan. It's a runner ball for them now. So there is some energy induction from Ranjan Bayani. It's one declare.
So right now they're dealing in singles and not ready to mingle with big shots. But that is soon
Playing
expected
sensibly.
because the more and more you're going to take singles, rotate the strike. Every run is right now important and very crucial. So I think they're doing the best that they can. Almost the cameraman was the target here. Gari vyavasthit जा रहे.
I think it's a very sensible cricket at the moment.
Very clever, very patient, and nothing to risk it out. And almost there in the hands, and that is going to be yet another chance that have gone down. Atharva Mamunkar thanking the player actually goes out. मंडा आवारी आहे, तुम्ही आमचा झेल सोडलात.
12 balls and 12 runs. It's just run a ball, but final, the pressure. Pressure on the batsman, pressure on the bowler, pressure on the fielder, pressure on the audience. It's a pressure cooker
You
situation.
really can't predict at this point in time because both side you have clever captains, clever players, and finally, if it is written, there is no script that you can decide at this point in time that who is going to have a dance at the evening.
It's very well said by someone that match is not won till the last ball is bowled.
Well, absolutely. And now Chirag comes to the attack. First ball, it's gone for a boundary.
I think Atharv is in good form. He is able to connect the ball and it was full toss.
Tulip Nests hospitality boundary. Let's be superstitious. Wherever you are sitting, sit there only, says Chinmay Khatri. Wahan se mat utho, wahan se mat jao. There's a lot of superstitions that works at this point in time.
Krish is on strike. Let's all focus on Krish now.
And it is not only local cricket, but I've seen international cricketers believing
Good
in the
shot
same.
from Krish. It's a single. Only 6 runs now for the final cup. Let's see what happens next. And
In the air again,
and it's a 1 run. So
that obstacle has been the tree that has come half inside the turf and the trusts that are there on the top. Always the ball is getting stopped because of that. And this
that's
time,
match! That's the final!
the winning
That's
runs.
the final! That's the final for this. Absolutely well played, Krish.
Winners of Season 7 Excellence Champions Trophy is going to be a team that has done so well throughout the tournament.
And
And
fittingly,
now they are the Tekka Titans, the champions.
Gangnam Style.
and fittingly, Krish scores the final winning runs. It was well played, well balanced game, but this is what happens. Krish Kuradia, well played. It was a team effort. Chinmay, Bajirao, the co-owners, Tekka Titans, Suryakant Nanavare and Bajirao Divekar, the team, and the winning run scored by Krish Kuradia. It was a great match. Well played. Atharv is
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
Aram se. Relax. Take deep breath, Atharv.
It's your. Relax.
दोन मिनिटं बस अरे 2 मिनिटं बस ना असाच बस काही करू नको असाच बस ना अरे वो करेगी असाच बस 2
Amit bhai.
Amit Mike. उनको support किया last. Yes sir.
नको ना काय मूवमेंट करू 2 मिनिटं
नवीन भाई विनर्स का क्या क्या लिस्ट है वो एक बार देखो ना. सब मेरे को लिख के अभी एक पेपर पे शांति से दे। और मोमेंट ऑफ द मैच मैं तेरे को देता हूँ। सेमीफाइनल में क्या मोमेंट?
अनिल बता क्या बोल रहा था?